Hello. It's Michael. Hi everyone. I'm Akiba,
I'm JC.
and we're So welcome to the first.
Thank you. All right, we're leaving it.
This is the first Maker Pro Meetup, which is basically we're just trying to create a community for design and manufacturing in Japan, because I think there's a lot of prototyping knowledge out here, but there's nothing to really take designers beyond that. And I think there's a lot of really good designs and a lot of like young talent, but it just doesn't really make it beyond kind of the prototype and like kind of fashionable magazine pictures, and then that's it. So like
So we also live out on a place called Hackerfarm out in Tuba with the buses out there as well,
Alvin comes out.
What's the URL?
Hackerfarm.jp.
And so we often do trips out to Shenzhen with people from around there, and also say with Alvin and Aaron, because having people around you that can help you is really, really useful when you're out there. Just a bit of background, I run a publishing company, and then also work on agricultural technology on a project called Farm Lab, which is also a project that we run out there.
So I do a lot of electronics design, product design. I run a small manufacturing line out at Hackerfarm, and I also do manufacturing out in Shenzhen. So like I teach manufacturing with my friend Bunny out there for like MIT Media Lab, and we do a lot of random projects too. So me and Jacinta, or us and other friends. So, and it's also, we also run, every year we run the Hackerfarm Shenzhen tour, which is we bring a bunch of people from the countryside out to Shenzhen and start trying to teach them about the different resources out there. So it's not just manufacturing. That's one of the things that I think we'll be talking about in this meetup, because it's not just manufacturing. There's a lot of different things. Manufacturing is just one thing. There's also import-export. There's private labeling. And then there's like manufacturing, and we'll be talking about that in a second.
So we'll just go quite quickly and briefly through an overview of manufacturing and some of the considerations. You can go really deep in each category. So that will likely become different presentations as we go forward, depending on sort of what people are looking to get out of the group. And then Alvin's going to share some of his experiences to kind of give a bit of a real case study. But it's really casual. If you have questions, if you have comments, if you have things that you want to say, just jump in. It's not kind of, there's no screen here.
We're not. Yeah, I think one of the things we want to avoid is like talking at people. We're using the microphones mainly so that we can capture audio, because we get a lot of requests to like post this information online. So we're mainly trying to capture the audio, but also we found that out here that it's nice to have a bit of a boost. So let's start. So. Okay. Oh, I know. So first we need to plug this in.
So we're highly, highly technical people.
So your product works. Yay! So so now what do? I think a lot of people think that once they get the product to work, or once they come up with like the amazing idea, then that's it. But actually, that's the easy part, and the hard part is what comes afterwards. So for this talk, we're gonna take a brief overview of like all the steps that come after your product works. So, and that'd be like manufacturing, and a lot of people just think about manufacturing, but there's also logistics, packaging, fulfillment, and marketing. And we're going to start off the talk with marketing, which is probably the most important piece